They say that US member don't come outside though, come confirm. Say Simon Ekpa don't take over Mazi NnamdiKanu court case. So he said that the legal team are now working for Simon Ekpa. No be smart, you know, things are happening. They say a 13-year-old girl. They say this girl don't carry okay, go give his sister, and so his sister take by. This is happening. How you go carry okay, go give his sister, now his sister take by. Most of them don't know wetin be okay. Okay na rat. As he carry the substance whether they give okay, whether they give rat. So he carry and go give his sister. I'll say person tell her make him do like that. And so he take by in sister, in mama sister when they live with for very long time. Things are happening for inside Nigeria. It be like this. But however, let's go and find out how this thing take they happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, they bring you update back to back as they hot. My people, things are happening. They say that one of the US member don't finally come outside. Come to say he don't confirm am. Say Simon Ekpa na in charge of Mazi NnamdiKanu court case now, as he be that Aloy Ejimako is fully working for Simon Ekpa. Let me play this video before we come back and continue.
There's no two ways about it. You know, I say things the way it is. As it stands now, Aloy Ejimako is the lead counsel of Mazi NnamdiKanu. There's no two ways about it. We don't have to lie. After Aloy Ejimako take over with the lies and deceit from propaganda, they have already go to Mazi NnamdiKanu and begin to lie to him. Simon Ekpa have been taken over, and he wrote it on his Twitter handle. But some of them come to attack him. I mean, because sometimes he will do something, they won't want him to come and claim it. But being who he is, he will claim it. It does not matter what you said, he will come and claim it. Let me see if I have that the write-up of Simon Ekpa and see how they were attacking him. But I will prove to you people that Simon Ekpa is in charge. There's no two ways about it. And I will tell you people that Aloy Ejimako knows exactly what he's doing. He knows exactly what he's doing. And Aloy Ejimako can never condemn Simon Ekpa. He can never. And I'm going to prove it. And then Nemeka, they don't know what. Nemeka has no idea what is going on. That is why you see Nemeka, Barrister Nemeka, he trying to push Mazi NnamdiKanu to say some certain things. When you are talking about this complicit, Mazi NnamdiKanu is talking about that the governors are in complicit of, benefiting, getting money from the insecurity in Biafra land. There are some people working with them, isn't it?
My wonderful people, things are really happening, but only thing we will be say the watcher fit up for this thing be say any game wanna they play, wanna make sure say wanna no play with Mazi NnamdiKanu life, because the people wanna go receive am hot. Now be the thing, the message where the public say my carry combo. But however, as that one they happen, let's jump into this matter. This little girl, na so the girl go take by in sister carry ogwoke. Na be the thing where they take the buy rat, take go buy in mama sister. We carry am, we took am as a child because of waiting person tell am say if him buy a mama sister, say mama sister no go send that message, he no go beat am again. Na so the little girl go agree, go buy in mama sister. Watch the video the moment where they ask am some questions, and before we will come back, go continue.
Mesoma Gente Isnonye gwara gị gịnị? Nwunye kachi gwara gị. That is Ogon. Gwara gị sị gị mee gịnị? Na gị jee wụrụ ọgwụ oke tiri antị. Na gị tiri ya na gịnị? Na nri. Ime na eke ime ihe.
Ozugbo gwara ihe mashaga na-ekwe ya chụsoba na meme ya kwa ha modo. Dogba mo gwa hente. Mashaga magwe yanti. Aga meme ya shi na me no nwe ho ga me no ga kwushi na akumi. Na gị mee na ọ ga-akwụsị ịdị n'akụ gị ihe. Gị gazie ga mee
ugbu a na ọ kwụsịla ịkụ gị ihe na aka ọ kwụsịbe ebe ka ntị Adakụ ahụ nọ ugbu a anụ m ihe i kwuru ebe ka ntị Adakụ nọ ugbu a ị maghị ebe ọ nọ ka ekwenye iji na-ebe akwa mbọsị a ị chetara gịnị? Ị chetara ihe onye gwara gị? Ihe nwunye Kachi gwara gị? Gịnị ka ị chetara ihe ahụ? Mgbe ị meziri ya, mgbe ị tiri ya ihe ahụ ọ sị gị tirie, ele ihe meziri afọ atọ ya since ahụ ihe n'ụra abalị ị na-ehi ụra akụ ya, ị na-ehi ụra ọfụma maka na iwepụrụ ndụ mmadụ. Mesoma kwurugode ọtọ gee ntị, geenụ ntị. Amụrụ Mmesoma na 29 of May 2008. Yes. Eji m rekọdụ gị ji rekọdụ Chinwe jiji nke ya because anọ m witness ya eme. Ama m date amụrụ gị ma date amụrụ Chinwe ma date amụrụ ya. Mmesoma dị 16 good years wee gaa were ọgwụ oke tire ntie wada nne m onye tọtara mmadụ tọma ọ mee ya je were ọgwụ oke tire ya na nri ọ na-eri anti m erie ya wada nne m wee lawa mmụọ. Nkịta osi erie ya nwụọ. Ọkụkọ ọ jiri egwuo ya ọnụ erie ya nwụọ. Ya ozu atọ at a spot. Lee agwa nwa 16 years kpara, unu lewe ya. Agwa nwa 16 good years kpara antie dị 50 something years. Nwa dị 16 years eche ụdị echiche a. Ọ na ntị gị na-echere gị echiche ọnwụ since niile iji dewa 10 years, dewa 12 years, dewa 15 years. Kedu ihe mere na enwube? Mmesoma gị show taa. Gị show taa tụtụrụ ntị gị gbulaa ya. Amụrụ gị na 29th of May 2008. Eji m date gị because anọ m mgbe amụrụ gị. Otu esi mụọ gị wota ndị mmadụ si gbakalụ na amụrụ gị n'ala ọkpọrọ. Ije mma gị eje hospital. I was the one coming your mom. Otu a na-ekwu okwu na a na-anụta ihe a na-ekwu. All your mother onye na-ege m ntị. Antị Chidimma na-aya ezigbo ahụ. Onweghị onye ọ na-ekpe nọ ntị. Yes, because ị na-eshi abịa. Ọ na-awụ mgbe ahụ ma ị nọ nso ọmụọ wee na-aka amụ ya. Lady na Mmesoma, onye a na my cousin sister ndị njem ọnụ. Welite ihe ụlọ ịsọ nkụwa ga. Onye a na-awụ cousin sister mụ. Mụnwa Uchi na-edu jem ọnụ. Nlọta masị, achọrọ m ịstara cousin sister m ihe December. Achọrọ m ịstara ihe ma nlọtawa. Lee ya. Onye a cousin sister mụ. Mmesoma Ajosu kpọla mmadụ mmụọ just because of gịnị? Enviness and greedy. Na mmadụ gwara gị mee. So what there?
Things are happening. I remember those days when we are younger. You know, when you tell us something like this, we run and go and tell our parents, so see what that auntie tell us we will do. But these days is no longer there. Everybody, these children of these days, do things they want to do and how they want to do it. Because if I have disclosed this to that auntie will be alive today. But see as take by this woman, the woman does go like that. Now tell me waiting they go do this again now. Tell me waiting they go do am. because this matter e get as e be. My people, abeg make you try to dey, even though na person pikin wey you carry, make you dey show am the same love wey you dey show everything wey dey around you, so that this kind thing im go fit come tell you say see wetin this person tell am say make him do. Abeg make you share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section.